This is a backpack for men and women with USB port. This laptop backpack is made of high-quality polyester and offers a high and durable performance with minimal weight. For extra durability, the polyester material is waterproof, tear-resistant, and scratch-resistant. The size is 11.8 by 7 by 16.5 inches. This backpack with unique design, a laptop compartment that holds 15.6-inch laptop with spacious compartment for everyday needs, technology, and electronic accessories. The main compartment with lots of pockets that make your items organized and easier to find. It also comes with two zipper storage pockets. Side storage bag, anti-theft back pocket, luggage strap that allows backpack to slide over the luggage, and this comes with USB port for charging. Make sure to put the power bank. The two curved padded shoulder straps with an extra thick and ultra-breathable design make the backpack easy to carry and provide reinforcement. The adjustable strap allowing you to customize the fit to your unique body shape and size, and the high-quality zipper can withstand frequent use. The versatility of this backpack makes it suitable for a wide range of occasions, catering to both adult men and women. So whether you're heading to work, school, gym, or embarking on a weekend adventure, this unisex design is sure that it complements any outfit and it fits seamless to any situation.